Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the rules for significant figures in mathematical operations, and I will also show you a helpful mnemonic to ensure you remember them forever. First, let's look the rules for subtraction and addition. In addition and subtraction, the final answer should be rounded to the fewest decimal places. Let's take a look at these two examples. In the first example, the first term contains four decimal places, but the second term contains one decimal places. So we need to round this answer to one decimal place. In the second example, the first term contains four decimal places, the second contains two decimal places. The answer is rounded to two decimal places. Now let's go to the rules for multiplication and division. In multiplication and division, we are looking for these significant figures. Here you should forget the decimal places. So we have to retain, in the final answer, we retain the fewest significant figures or round to the fewest significant figures. Here, let's see this example. In the first example, the first term contains five significant figures and the second term contains four significant figures, and this is my answer, but I have to round to fewest significant figures. Here fewest means we have four. That means the final answer will have four significant figures. And let's go to the second example. In the second example, the first term has three significant figures and the second term has one significant figures. So the final answer is should be rounded to one significant figures. Here is the problem that many students face. They often get confused about whether to look at the decimal places or the total number of significant figures, leading to errors in their exams and reports, thereby losing points. So here are the two acronyms you need to know in order to remember these rules. The first acronym is S.A.D and the second acronym is M.D.S. You should know at least one of them. The S.A.D means in subtraction and addition, go to the minimum decimal place. And in multiplication and division, go to the fewest number of significant figures. So remember S.A.D for decimal and M.D.S for significant figures. I hope it helps you and you will never forget these rules again. Don't forget to subscribe for more chemistry study tips. See you in the next video.